Here it comes. Here she comes out of the water. Sitting in our cradle. Jesus Christ. Ha ha ha. It's sitting on there, crushing it. But it's there.
All the way it's on there. Huh?
It's all the way on there. A couple of inches over here to spare. Perfect. 2 more inches and behind dry. Still coming.
We're gonna clear that way.
Well, checked on those tires down there. Here we go, Sarah. Uh-oh. Well, we gotta put some... Whoa. Where is he? It's breaking up over here. The fucking thing is just breaking. But he doesn't want to stop, so... You see it? Oh, here we go. No, he's still going. Fuck. I don't know why he made that cradle so short. You know, it's only 16, 15 feet and the house is 26, 28. I don't know. Yes. Well, no. I'm not sure why it's going up so high because we don't... Scary fucking shit. He wants it all the way up here, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's good. Well, here we are.